Guys, John here, Blackjack Contracting. We're here at our Birch Park project in Grimsby, and it's exciting because it's the first one we've ever done in Grimsby. That's going to also lead to a bunch of challenges, but I'm pretty excited for this one. This one is a back split, which black splits make such nice secondary suites, duplexes. So we're just getting this one on the roll. It just got demoed and the framing is getting ready to go. We're going to do a little walk around tour and show you a couple little issues we discussed after demo. This project is a not a complete gut. It's got slightly some stuff being remaining to save a little bit on cost. The total cost of this project was $155,000, including the taxes for the whole finished project. On top of that, the customer's already pre-purchased the drawings and permits, and don't forget, on top of those costs, you still got to consider appliances. So we're going to take you a little walk around and see how it goes. So one of the problems we discovered on this project after the demo is we have a little bit of a ceiling height issue. Right here, we're going to be putting in a stackable washer and dryer. A typical unitized laundry center is about 77 inches from floor to ceiling, and a full-size stackable is about 78.5 inches. If you read right here, we have about 76 and a quarter inch. We're also going to lose another 5/8 of an inch in drywall, plus a little bit for the flooring, so we have an issue here. There's a couple options to deal with this. This customer's actually chosen to go with custom laundry. A couple things we could have done here is we could have rerouted this ductwork to over there and bring it along the beam to minimize the bulkhead right here. Another thing is we look at flattening ducts, but these are only about 6 1/4 inches long, so in order to go 4 inch, you're going to have to go twice as wide, which is going to create a bulkhead that's almost half this room, which is not ideal. So there's a few options to deal with this. You just want to make sure you handle this before and not later. So one of our unique discoveries here was that when they replaced the furnace, the venting here was installed, and it used to have this steel vent that went outside called a chimney vent. And when they put this exhaust pipe in, they decided to get the angle they needed to just cut out half a floor joist. Well, unfortunately, we can't leave that. So in situations like this, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull out any electrical or anything that's in the way. We're going to have to sister a floor joist all the way from the foundation to the load-bearing beam. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do, but this will never pass because they've cut out over 50%. And you can't even do notches this big, let alone cut out half a joist. So thank you, Mr. HVAC guy, but now we're gonna have to fix it. So one unique challenge we have to deal with here is this is obviously the furnace room, and furnace rooms are always the most challenging parts of doing the fire separation, but because of the design here and the laundry where we just said happens to be running right beside it, we actually have to cut in the fire door right here. So obviously we have this big mess of ductwork and furnace. So the solution we're going to use here is we're actually going to flip the furnace and flip the ductwork so that we can cut in a door here. We have to have a minimum of 2 feet clearance in front of the furnace access door and a wall so that there's room to service and repair. So it was a challenge, but we also have to incorporate all the fire separation that goes into the walls. So it's actually going to make life a little easier by doing this.
So I'd like to take this time to introduce you to one of my trusted trade partners that's actually going to be helping me construct this project. This is Frank from QSR Contracting. He and I have been working together for many years, and I know he's going to take this one and run with it, so I'm pretty excited to get this done with him. And Frank, take it from here.
Thanks, John. It's a great opportunity to work with you again. This is a great back split here that we're doing for a basement. It's going to be a phenomenal layout, and it's going to come out really well.
Why don't you show them the layout?
So we have a bedroom coming in this area here, where we are incorporating a beam and the support right into the wall. So you don't have this big pillar in the middle. It's going to be right incorporated into the wall. You'll never really see it. There's going to be another bedroom here, and then currently there's the furnace room in the back right, and then there's also going to be a bathroom down here. On the second level, we're gonna have a very large open concept and a kitchen. So it'll be great when you're sitting at the kitchen at the bar and you can see the whole area. It's gonna come out really nice.